So welcome students. Next we can see the Z parameter problem. Find the Z parameter for the circuit shown in figure. So it is the circuit. So for the circuit you want to find the Z parameter. So Z parameter find பண்ணனும். So what are the condition? First condition is output port is open circuited. Okay. And second condition input port open circuited. So first of all when output port open circuited na idhula current flow ஆகாது. So only we have this circuit, that is V1 1 ohm 2 ohm and 2 ohm 4 ohm. Okay, so what is our question? Find the Z parameter. In order to find the Z parameter, what is the Z parameter? Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. Z11 formula another V1 by I1 at I2 is equal to 0. By I2 0 பண்ணியாச்சு. So what is the formula? V1 by I1. So we want to find V1. What is V1? V is equal to I into R. That is voltage is I1 into the Z equivalent. Okay, the Z equivalent value. So Z equivalent na என்னது இங்க இருக்கிற எல்லா resistance value equivalent resistance value. Okay, so equivalent impedance value எப்படி find பண்ணிக்கலாம்? So here first of all these two resistance are series. Okay, that is 4 ohm and 2 ohm are series na 4 plus 2 6. Then that 6 ohm and 2 ohm are parallel. அப்போ என்ன எழுதணும் 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Okay, and this இதில் simplify ஆகி நமக்கு ஒரு answer கிடைக்கும், that is 12 plus 8. Okay, that value plus, so அதுவும் இதுவும் எப்படி இருக்கும் சீரீஸாக இருக்கும். So the answer is 2.5 ohm. Okay, Z equivalent value. So voltage value is I1 into Z equivalent. I1 into Z equivalent value, that is Z11. Z equivalent தான் என்னது நமக்கு Z11. Okay, first port உள்ள. So Z11 is V1 by I1. The answer is 2.5 ohm. Okay, after simplifying you got 2.5 ohm. Okay, yeah. So from this equation Z11 equal to V1 by I1. Okay, so V1 by I1 equal to Z11 value. Z11 value another 2.5. So the Z11 answer is 2.5 ohm. Next, I want to find Z21. What is the formula Z21? V2 by I1. In order to find V2 find பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ஈஸியாக ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். What is V2? V2 is, that is Ix into, so இதில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற வோல்டேஜ், இதில் இருக்கிற வோல்டேஜ் அப்படி தானே இதில். ஸோ நமக்கு இங்கே ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் இல்லாதனால தான் நம்ம ஈக்குவலண்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் வேல்யூ எடுத்தோம். இங்கே இதில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற வோல்டேஜ் V2 is equal to flowing current is Ix into 4. Okay, Ix into 4. So what is Ix value? Ix value இந்த நோட்லேருந்து இது செப்பரேட் ஆகுது அப்படி தானே. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் Ix? by applying current division rule, total current I1 into, ஸோ இதில் ஃப்ளோ ஆகிற கரண்ட் அப்படி தானே. So what is the answer? The opposite resistance value. Okay, so opposite resistance, that is 2 ohm. The total resistance divided by total is 2 plus 4, that is 8. So answer is I1 by 4. So now Z21 is V2 by I1. V2 another Ix into 4. Ix is I1 by 4. So from this you can write the value. So V2 equal to 1. அப்போ V2 by I1 value another 1. Okay, V2 equal to I1 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இப்போ V2 by I1 is 1. No. So you got the answer Z11 and Z2. What is the second condition? Input port is open circuited. So when input port is open circuited, input port நம்ம open circuit பண்ணுறோம். இப்போ நம்ம என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண Z22. Okay, V2 by I2. அப்போ V2 value another V2 by I2 is the Z22 value. Okay. So the voltage across 4 ohm resistor is, the current flowing across this resistor is I2 by 2. I2 by 2 into 4. So from this you can find V2 by I2. When you take the cross V2 by I2 value என்ன கிடைக்கும்? That is V2 is equal to 2 into I2. Okay. So V2 is equal to, V2 by I2 is equal to, what is the value? 2 ohm. Okay. Not 20 ohm, 2 ohm. Okay, it is 2 ohm value. The answer is 2 ohm. So now next, let the current through, that is you want to find Z12, that is V1 by I2. V1 by I2. So you want to find the value of V1. So in order to find V1 is the voltage across the 2 ohm resistor. That is, first of all you want to find the current across the 2 ohm resistor. So how will you find the current across 2 ohm resistor? That is V1 is equal to I into 2 ohm resistor. So in the 2 ohm resistor flow agra current first find pannom. So what is the current flowing across this resistor? That is I2 by 2. Okay, divide agum. Okay, divide agi varum. So the answer is V1 is equal to I2, that is Z12 is V1 by I2. V1 by I2. So what is the answer? 1 ohm. So we get all the parameters, that is Z11 is 2.5, Z12 is 1, Z21 is 1 and Z22 value is 2. Okay.